Well, we have seen it many times, officers using deadly force on duty.
Tonight, the Orange-Osceola State Attorney has a new policy changing how those cases are investigated. Monique Worrell sat down with investigator Louis Bolden to share the details.
When an Orange County deputy shot and killed 22-year-old Salathis Melvin outside the Florida Mall in August of 2020, it was one of 6 other cases that State Attorney Monique Worrell inherited when she was sworn in January of this year. 6 cases that involved deadly force by an officer.
It's interesting to state that when we walked in, there were 6. So on day 1, I was already behind.
After creating a COVID-19 policy and a death penalty policy, now Worrell has created an officer-involved critical incident policy.
What I wanted to do was create a consistent policy that the community as well as law enforcement could rely on how these incidents would be handled in my administration.
When an officer uses deadly force in Orange and Osceola counties, the Florida Department of Law Enforcement handles the investigation. That's so an independent body with no connection to the officer is handling the case. Under Worrell's new policy, her office will now conduct its own investigation to run concurrently with FDLE's.
Not only will one of our investigators show up to the scene, but also my deputy chief.
Should the public read that you don't have confidence in FDLE?
No, just means that we as lawyers know what it takes to prove a case. This is something that we spoke with them about, and they didn't have any reservations.
Before now, FDLE would investigate, then present its report to the state attorney's office. Now that report will be reviewed by Worrell's newly created officer-involved critical incident panel.
Is that adding more bureaucracy?
It may add more bureaucracy, but it is more important that we complete a thorough investigation than a fast investigation.
The panel will be made up of the Deputy Chief Assistant State Attorney, the Director of Public Accountability, 2 homicide prosecutors, 3 assistant state attorneys, and 3 investigators. The panel will then present its analysis to Worrell, who will determine if the deadly force was justified or not, and whether the officer involved should be cleared or face charges. If it's too close to call, the case will then be presented to the grand jury, according to the policy.
Once I've signed off on the ultimate determination and we presented our findings to the family as well as to the law enforcement agency, our report will be available for the public to view.
The state attorney says she is still getting feedback from law enforcement officers about this new policy. The policy took effect on her 100th day in office. In Orlando, getting results, I'm Louis Bolden, News 6.